At number 4, we have Smeg Espresso Machine, the best designed super automatic espresso machine. Smeg Espresso Machine captivates with its stunning design and exceptional performance. This espresso maker stands out in your kitchen, available in an array of chic color options. Easily rivaling similar models, its clean, minimal control panel reduces clutter. 3 simple buttons, single shot, double shot, and steam, allow you to brew without distraction. Setting it up truly impresses, making it user-friendly for beginners. From day one, you'll navigate its features smoothly. Busy lifestyles benefit from easy cleaning, ensuring that you'll spend more time savoring coffee than scrubbing parts. After extensive testing, I found it consistently pulls solid shots. While early attempts might yield a watery brew, adjusting the grind results in rich flavors with chocolate and caramel notes. Mastering the steam wand feels intuitive. Frothing milk for that perfect cappuccino or latte becomes a quick, enjoyable task. Building up your skill while using this machine doubles as an engaging learning experience. Every mishap offers a chance to improve, transforming novices into confident brewmasters. One area for growth lies in the initial shot attempts, which may require some practice. Yet, this encourages you to refine your technique and appreciate the artistry behind coffee making. What I love most about the Smeg Espresso Machine is how it seamlessly blends style and reliable performance. If you're in the market for an espresso machine that delivers both beauty and functionality, still searching for the perfect super automatic espresso machine, don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.